Choose a comfortable position, sitting on a cushion, in a chair, or lying supine position. Ensure your back is straight and you are at ease. Allow your body to relax fully. If you detect any tightness, particularly in your shoulders or neck, gently release it. Notice any tension in your jaws, temples, forehead, and eyes. Soften these areas, letting your face relax completely. Commit to keeping your body as still as possible and avoid any unnecessary movements like scratching. Take 3 slow, deep breaths, breathing in and out through your nostrils. Allow your awareness to spread through your body, noticing any sensations that arise with your breath. Deep, slow breaths. Now let your breathing settle into its natural rhythm, observing the breath without trying to control it. Notice the depth of your breath, whether shallow or deep, and how your belly and your chest expand and contract with each breath. If seated, slightly rise your sternum. Feel the natural expansion of your belly during the inhale and its retraction on the exhale. If laying down, ensure your body is straight from heels to navel to chin. Let your arms rest naturally with palms facing up. Continue to breathe through your nostrils, attentively observing the sensations of the breath through your body. Do not impose any rhythm on your breathing. Observe whether each breath is long, short, deep, or shallow. It doesn't matter. Just don't control it. When distractions arise, simply acknowledge them. Use the out breath to release any tension and gently return your focus to the breath. With each exhalation, consciously relax deeper, letting go of any involuntary thoughts or physical tightness. Encourage deep relaxation through the exhalation phase, continuing this ease as you begin the next inhalation. Aim to breathe so effortlessly that it feels as if the environment is breathing you. As involuntary thoughts arise, notice them without attachment, allowing them to pass naturally. Each time you find your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to the breath without frustration or force. Keep your awareness broad, noting the full course of each inhalation and exhalation, and the sensations through your body. Each time you find your mind wandering over and over again, gently guide back your attention to the breath, patiently, without frustration or force. Sustain full awareness of inhalation and exhalation and the sensations through your body. As the session ends, take a few moments to breathe deeply and prepare to transition back to your daily activities. Open your eyes and slowly reacquaint yourself with your surroundings, carrying the calmness and the mindfulness forward into your day.